Hey y'all, I got a new snack for us to try. I got Smart Pop popcorn, but today we're gonna try Boom Chicka Pop. I've had the popcorn before, but not the kettle corn. I think I just had the regular plain, like the salt. And I like that it tastes like healthy, but I never had the hot popcorn. The ingredients is popcorn oil, sea salt, cane sugar, and monk fruit extract. So we finna warm these up and I'm gonna let y'all know how they taste. Okay. It say contains hot oil and steam. Baby, this bag is cooking, honey. I just didn't want it to be burnt. Ooh, I know they hot. Okay, y'all, it only pops about this much. But that's because I stopped it because I didn't want it to burn. I don't know how many kernels at the bottom. But it took 2 minutes to pop completely on my microwave. So, you know, microwaves vary. But anyway, let's try it. This is kettle corn. It say lightly sweet, so. Definitely lightly sweet. Compared to Smart Pop popcorn, it's definitely lightly sweet. I mean, it's definitely not as sweet as Smart Pop popcorn. Really don't have, like, it don't really hold too much flavor. But it's fresh, I guess. 5 out of 10. I'd probably rather have their bag popcorn than their, because I don't really taste anything. You know what I'm saying? Well, try and let me know what you think.